Motivation. Motivation is something we all need to find through our day. It helps us do what we want to do. It is what keeps us going. But some people don't have anything to motivate them. But why? Well, I see it as a powerhouse, kind of like the nucleus of a cell. It energizes you and it lets you do the task at hand. For one instance, if you're working at a fast food restaurant, then what good are you getting out of it? You're gonna want to look for the reward. The reward is your paycheck. That is probably what motivates you. Some people don't want to do anything, and that's not necessarily okay. But why is it like a big problem in our society? These days, people do whatever they want and however they can do it, just to like slack off and get money and do anything to just get it over with. But some people don't want to do that. Some people want to give it their best. Global motivation statistics say that for every 3 employees, 2 were planning to resign from their job. Basically, what this is saying is for every 3 people that have a job, 2 of them want to quit. They don't have a passion for that job. They just want to get their paycheck, go home. But for, say, the one person out of the 3 wanted to make his paycheck, loved his job, it was his passion, and maybe he just had a family to provide for, but he played he played it off so well that you didn't even notice. And he just did it, got it done. Unlike the people that were slacking off and doing their job just to get the money. Other statistics say that employees work 20% harder when they are motivated. One way I am motivated when doing like homework, I'll listen to music, I will just lay down, I'll take breaks, and I will do kind of what the first people did. I would basically look for the reward, even though that's not the best thing to do. National statistics for motivation say that 18% of employees are disengaged, meaning they aren't really at the job. They're not mentally prepared for their job. They're physically there, but not mentally. I'm sure you've probably seen somebody that works at McDonald's and he's just like doing absolutely nothing, asks you what you want over and over even though you've said it. He's just there to make money even though that's not the right thing. Others statistics say that 52% are not engaged. Engaged and disengaged, there's a big difference. Disengaged is just, you're not there, mentally or mentally. And 50% are not engaged means that you're there, you're getting the work done, but you're not passionate about what you're doing. You would rather be anywhere else. 29% of employees are engaged, meaning they love their job, they're passionate about it, and they wouldn't rather be doing anything else. They're probably connected with the company itself, and they probably wanted that job not for the money. They probably wanted it so they could kind of show off. How do we solve the problem of the 52% and the 18% people that are not fully engaged? One way is, ask yourself, how will the reward make me feel? How will this impact my life? What is it going to change in the future? This makes you curious. And when you're curious, you have to do it, or else your life is like, you can't live because you don't know what it would have done. You can't live without knowing. Like I said earlier, one way that I motivate myself is music. Music is very helpful. It will, whatever kind of music you like to listen to, just put it on. Ask your boss if you can have headphones. I promise, it will most definitely help. Yeah, and hopefully you should be motivated enough to be at your job site. And if you're not, what bother showing up? I mean, you could be at home doing nothing, watching TV, but you're there doing nothing, getting paid minimum wage. So, I mean, that's my project, and just stay motivated.